Hi there, Sanna here today with a new video. I've got some happy mail to share with you. I got this from Tonic UK, and this is this parcel consists of the Tonic Craft Kit as far as I know. So they sent me one, so I haven't opened this yet. This just arrived today, so I thought I'd open this with this video. So let's see what's inside. I'm really excited to see what's inside this parcel. So I thought I'd share that with you. So the Tonic Craft Kit is actually a monthly kit as far as I know. And it contains products like limited edition dies and stamp sets, and it's a monthly kit, and it has some Nuvo and Craft Perfect goodies in them, and you can actually subscribe to this kit. You can take a one-off purchase which costs £35 per order, or you can order a monthly subscription or a quarterly subscription, and the quarterly subscription costs £90, and monthly subscription is free shipping and £35 a month. I'm reading from the website because that's new to me. So for the one-off purchase you will have to pay the shipping still. So I think it says, what does it say? It says £2, but I don't know if that's for all over Europe or if it's only the UK. I'll check that later and add details to the end of this video. Okay, so let's open this parcel. I'm really excited because craft kit, that sounds like a lot of fun. Ta-da! The letter for me. I'll take that aside because I think that's instructions. Oh no, it says welcome to the Tonic Craft Kit number 6. So this is the February craft kit, and they list everything what is in the kits, and there's a link to the kit website where you can look for details. So I'll be adding all these details to the description part of the video. And then they added me some I think these are die cuts, but they are exclusive, so they are not included in the kit. So this is the kit. Let's see what's in there. Oh, I love this. Super fine glitter in turquoise, green meadow, purple organza, and aqua. Oh, I love these colors. Oh, how did they know? I'm a lucky girl. Yes, so that's inside in the kit. Then what else? Oh, how cute! These are tiny bottles of Nuva drops. So the one is a dual drop and the other one is with glitter. And that's the Aqua Mist and Sea Breeze. I love these colors. Ah, this is so cool. Tonic Studios Tonic Craft Kit. I got a butterfly sticker. And what's this? Tonic Craft Kit. Oh, wow. Oh, butterflies. So there's clear stamps, obviously, and then there are dies that go with the stamps. Exactly, a huge butterfly. That's really big. So I have to figure out how that die works. So it's maybe something to fold, as it looks like. And then there's the... Okay, I have to figure out how these dies work, but these smaller dies definitely go with the stamps. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. So this definitely will be a spring kit, I think. Very much spring themed, for all kinds of celebrations coming along spring and summer, towards summer. Dimensional foam pads, never can have too many of those. And what's this? Glitter markers, how cool is that? Northern Lights. So I've got pink, green and purple tone in there. Wow, that's cool. That's really cool. Okay. They are water-based pens. Okay, that will be interesting to play with those. Don't know this product yet. This is totally new to me. Then let's see what's in there. Please do not bend. Okay. And it's papers. Okay. So I got some papers matching to the colors of the glitter and the pens, obviously. There's blue cardstock. Then there's some patterns paper. That's interesting. That's really interesting structure. Then there's a shimmery cardstock. This is a lovely color. Then I've got some light green with roses on them. And then this is beautiful. This is really pretty. And some turquoise. Oh, there's 2 sheets. Okay. 2 sheets of turquoise. 1 sheet of aqua. That's the sticker. And these patterns. Shiny, shimmery papers. Lovely kits. Really lovely. Oh, I love these. I love these. This will be interesting. Oh, I can't wait to play. Okay, so this would be the what's inside the February Tonic Craft Kit, and I'll add all the links to the website and informations about what types of kits you can order to the end of this video. And then I will be posting projects that I will be making with this kit. Oh, I can't wait to play. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. This is a really, really great start for this week. Can't wait to play. Thanks for watching. Bye.